Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is different disorders of nasal cavity. This topic we will cover in 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the foreign bodies and rhinolith present in the nasal cavity. And when we will talk about what are the different types of foreign bodies that can cause obstruction in the nasal cavity, and then what's rhinolith and what are the clinical presentations, features and treatment of rhinolith and the foreign body in the nasal cavity. Then in the second section we will talk about nasal myiasis and synechia. And what's the definition of nasal myiasis? What's nasal synechia? How they develop, how they form, and how they present and treated. All that we will cover in second section. And besides myiasis and synechia, we will also talk about the choanal atresia and how it presents and treated. Then in the third section, we will talk about cerebrospinal fluid rhinorrhoea. Rhinorrhoea is, rhino is for the nose, rhea is the term used for the flow. So when the cerebrospinal fluid, which is normally the fluid that provides the cushion to the brain and the spinal cord, and it is present around the brain and spinal cord. What are the different conditions and factors that can lead to cerebrospinal fluid leakage or flow from the nasal cavity? So we will talk about that, how we can diagnose this condition, treat, and what are the methods for the repair of cerebrospinal fluid rhinorrhoea. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about very important term related to the nasal cavity is allergic rhinitis, and what are the causes of allergic rhinitis, how it develops, how it is produced, what's the pathogenesis, and what are the signs and symptoms of the allergic rhinitis. So we will keep on, we will continue the same topic in the section 5 also, and then in this section we will talk about the diagnosis, what are some complications of allergic rhinitis, and how we can treat allergic rhinitis. So all these topics we will cover in our today's lecture, which is disorders of nasal cavity. So different types of disorders will be discussed in this lecture. So to learn more about this section or this topic, keep watching sqadia.com.